Some scenarios for using pitch avatar. To increase conversion to demo calls. CTA book a demo, request a demo, and similar works poorly? It's another thing when a potential customer is already hooked on interesting content and can instantly call to talk or set up a meeting without leaving their view. To do this, there are call presenter and schedule meeting buttons in the presentation player, as well as an option to call the presenter by voice.
To lead generation. Create a text script, a voiceover in any language, or a video avatar using AI. Set up a lead form to collect contact information that can be automatically sent to your CRM. Once you create a presentation, you can share it via a link or embed it on your website. The avatar will present your product or brand 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you will get a detailed analytics report on each session to improve your presentations.
For HR to reduce the time spent on recruitment. Use AI features to generate text scripts, voiceovers, or video avatars that speak to your contacts instead of you. Upload slides about the company. Create a video message for candidates. Add videos, questions, or test tasks to your presentation. Once you've created a presentation questionnaire in Pitch Avatar, add it to your website, to resources where you're looking for potential employees, and/or send a link to it to job seekers. By email, you'll get finished reporting on each participant. Based on that, you can make a decision about face-to-face communication.
For trainers, to enhance the learning experience for employees, partners, and customers. Combine different content formats, slides, PDFs, videos, into optimized training presentations. Use AI features and translate courses into any language in 2 clicks. Solve a key drawback of the LMS by enabling direct interaction between presenters and trainees. Listeners can ask questions, schedule meetings, or call presenters to video chat using buttons or voice commands. Get detailed session reports with time, interactions, and more. Easily share training content via links or website embeds.
For startups, to make all pitches happen. Language barriers, time zones, and scheduling problems are no longer a problem. AI will help generate voiceover and script text in the needed language or video avatar to slides. You can add contact details and/or video message to make the pitch more personalized. Send a link to the pitch directly from email or LinkedIn using the Chrome extension. Your avatar will pitch and answer questions instead of you, and you'll get a notification that the pitch has started and be able to connect. Communicate with the listener via chat, microphone, and camera, control the presentation, and manage slides.